a short E.E. Lunchbag puppet play, starring Carl and Sal, as inspired by the comic Emergency Exit. What do you mean you let one of the villains fix your face? You don't trust my magic? No, I have a face. Isn't that what's important? I can't believe you, but I tried and you wouldn't let me help you, and then you go and let one of them, the people we're fighting against. How could you? How could you? Oh, no, it's not like that. You tried, and well, no, I get it. I screwed up. I just keep making things worse. I couldn't do anything right. And I'm a horrible witch, a horrible friend, and I'd be an awful girlfriend. How could you say that? How could you just, I'm not gonna let you say that. What, little person. Thank you. Yay! Oh.